Hi dear, today we are going to learn how to remove the blank rows from this data. Let's see, this is the formula which we are going to learn today from this database, which can ignore all the blank rows. Let me tell you, how do we perform this? We have to use filter function and we have to select the entire range. Once we select the entire range, we can lock it and then we can loop through entire rows. By row function, entire row, and we can use lambda function, which is auxiliary function, and x means entire row. X is not equal to blank. You have to convert that value into 1 and 0 by using negation, double negation. And you can use sum double negation and see this is the output which we were expecting. I hope you found this useful. For more such videos, share, subscribe, and love my channel.